Hello.
Hello.
Today we are cooking butterfly
lemon pepper
chicken.
Yes, we are, guys. This is a one skillet wonder. Everything goes into one skillet in the oven and you serve it. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and preheat your oven to 450 degrees. And we're going to go ahead and show you all how we do this chicken. Okay, so, babe, may I do the honors?
Yeah, you can do it.
Thank you.
Okay.
So the first thing, I have my little brush over there with the holder too. So the first thing, guys, we want to do is our ingredients that we'll need. So we definitely need a whole butterfly chicken. Hubby already butterflied this chicken. We're going to need a whole onion. We're going to need a 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1 whole lemon sliced, and I have a concoction of seasoning here. So this is going to be a mixture of lemon pepper seasoning, very good one I got, and I got this one from my local grocery store, so that's one thing that's in here. Some thyme, some parsley flakes, and I added an extra teaspoon of salt because my lemon pepper seasoning is not that salty and I definitely want to heighten the flavor. So I added like an extra teaspoon of salt, and I also added about a tablespoon of garlic powder because I love garlic. And what I'm going to do with this seasoning is I'm going to actually, give me a little spoon too. I'm going to actually pour into the olive oil, okay? And do it here, and I'm going to go ahead and get them a good mix. Guys, when I saw this recipe, oh my goodness, I said I have to try it, and it's really one of my favorites, okay? So you're going to love this. I can guarantee you're going to be making this a lot. And since we're doing a lemon pepper flavor, but I've done a Cajun chicken like this, and it's great. So we got butterfly chicken here, thanks to hubby. He actually butterflied the chicken. So we're ready to go. Got this mixed all up here, babe. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead on and first lay down our onions in the bottom of the skillet.
So you're going to have a bed of onions?
I have a bed of onions. You told me you like a lot of onions.
Yeah, I do.
Yes. Yes.
She just used 1 onion, but me?
Baby, if you want to do that much, you just might as well eat an onion.
I put 2 in.
No. 1, guys.
2 big ones.
Yeah, this is a lot. And I cut mine into rings, so just put them in here just like this. Just lay them in the bottom, like hubby said, a bed of onions.
We're using an iron skillet.
Yes, I'm using an iron skillet in this here. Definitely something that can take that 450 degree temperature. All right, so we got our onions in the bottom. And now we're going to put our lemons on top of there. At the bottom, baby. At the bottom, at the bottom. Okay.
So all the good flavor starts at the bottom.
At the bottom. Move that right over. All right. Now, can you pick up my bird and lay him? You can put his other side first for me. It doesn't matter which side. Okay, so we got our chicken in there, all nice and butterfly. Hubby did a great video, guys, on how to butterfly, spatchcock, whatever you want to call it, this chicken. So you can check that out. I have the link in the description box below. So now I got a brush here. And I'm just going to brush my chicken. Just like this. Right on top of the skin. Just brush that olive oil and all the rich seasonings right on there.
Olive oil and seasonings. Too bad it got to take a while to cook.
You know, the favorite thing I like about this video is that this chicken actually takes about 30 to 40 minutes to cook. 30 to 40, I'll say 30 to 45 minutes to cook a whole chicken. You know, that's pretty good.
No, the favorite part is when it's cooking, the smells. See, because you have that lemon,
yes.
You have the herbs. So people be thinking that, you know, you at some fancy dancy restaurant and ordered some food and sudden they want to be good neighbors.
Baby, nobody comes to our door.
Yeah,
You know, they don't do that.
but they want to.
Maybe want to. Okay.
I scare them off.
All right. Now, so we got this side. We have this side done. So we got to turn it over to do the other side. So we're gonna flip my bird just like that. Oh, excuse me. We're not really flipping a bird.
She flipped the bird.
We're flipping the chicken. Okay. So let's do this side. Get all that good rich flavor.
Dress it down.
Yes. So guys, I know that when you do a dinner, you know, it looks like it takes a lot of mess in the kitchen to...
Nah.
This was very easy. All we had to do is butterfly this chicken.
Chop up an onion.
Chop up an onion, cut up a
lemon.
lemon, mix out the herbs that you like, and you can do that your own little special flavor if you want. And
And you can always get your person who don't cook, the spouse that don't cook, or the kid that don't cook, to clean up. That'll be the cost for the food. You know
and
what I mean?
also, if you
It ain't that
don't,
much.
if you want to, you can always get your butcher to butterfly your chicken too. They'll do that for you. And if they don't, you might want to consider going to a different store. All right, so now we are ready. We got our chicken here, all seasoned. Yeah, baby, it's
Use it all, baby. Use it all.
I dig it, babe. It's good. It's ready. Okay. So there we have it, guys. Hands are full of olive oil, but we are ready to put this in the oven.
Uncovered.
Uncovered. Don't cover that chicken. Put it in the oven. We're gonna start out at 30 minutes. Okay. Oven at 450. Then we're gonna check the chicken. We're gonna definitely put it back in there a few more minutes. But right now, let's get it on the oven because I am
This
hungry.
chicken is looking to be tan. Now I'm going to the tanning salon. That's what we told the chicken. We're going to the tanning salon.
Baby, just put the chicken on.
Take the chicken to the tanning salon. Got a 30-minute appointment.
Okay guys, so I have taken the chicken out. It's been 30 minutes. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna flip it. And that's because I want that same beautiful brownness that we see on top of the chicken to be on the other side. So I have a couple of things here I'm using to help me flip it, and my tongs and spatula. Hopefully it will not break up. It's real juicy, huh baby? It's already, yeah, gotta be real careful because it's really almost done, guys. And so I'm gonna go ahead on now and see all of, ooh, hey. I shouldn't put that on there yet, but I just can't help it. It's tempting. I'll say that's after brown. That looks delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead on now. This was a large chicken, so you know, normally it would not, you wouldn't have to flip it, but I do always flip mine because I do always buy a large chicken. Okay, and now I'm gonna put it right on back in the oven. And we're gonna put it probably back in here for, I'll say about 15 to 20 minutes. Because like I said, this chicken's a little larger than I normally buy. Okay guys, she's ready. So we have taken the chicken out. It actually took a little longer than 30 minutes because of the chicken size. This is a very nice sized chicken here. So I took it out. I flipped mine on both sides to be nice and brown. And the onions, the lemons are just melted into the chicken.
Yes, well, they at the bottom made a nice little.
Yeah, like a little, yeah, it is really nice broth. So guys, if you like this video, go ahead on and give me and hubby a thumbs up. Click the notification bell So you will be notified when we make these delicious meals. And guys, we're gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I get the plates.
Okay, sweetie. You kissed my shoulder.
Oh, yeah. Chicken pie.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna get me a knife. Go get a knife for cutting. No, it's not gonna bother me with video. Richness. You want this leg here? What you want?
That's it.
Yeah, you know that leg. Do I have to cut it? Cause look at here. Look at here. Look at this. It's just like cut wood. Here you go.
This is a nice tender piece of chicken.
Right here, baby. All ready for you, baby. If I could just put it in the fork in it. And yeah, that fork kept going to the bone. Look at that.
How that look, y'all? Let me get in the mines.
I know you was gonna say that.
So that
Onion
looks
freak.
good.
You got
Yeah, I like the onions.
and you have that. I'm gonna get this nice pretty wing right here. Oh my goodness. Golly, can it slip through any easier? It just slipped right on through. And I know I'm cutting into the backbone. Hold on, let me get that. Okay, sure. Thank you. I'm more patient with stuff like that than me. I'm just ready to get it clean, cooked. Use your fork. Put it away. Little bowl, bone. Little knife cut through the bone. All right, I see it. There we go. Right here, baby. Right here. Thank you. Oh, you got me a little piece of that back in here. Yes, you know I want some lemon and some onions. All right. Okay, guys.
We'll see y'all in the
See
next
you later.
video. But it,
Not next year. We'll see y'all in the next
Next video.
video. Thank you.
okay, yeah.
Bye.